As a Buddhist, I often tell Tibetans that if there is one area where they should make a real effort to reestablish and develop the Buddha's teaching, it is within their own families. That is where parents should express their faith, teach their children, and truly become spiritual guides. They should not be content with simply showing their children pictures and explaining that they represent such and such a deity. They should fully explain that this deity symbolizes compassion, and that deity represents supreme wisdom, and so forth. The more parents understand the Buddha's teaching, the more they will be able to influence their children in a positive way. And this principle is, of course, valid for other spiritual or religious traditions too.